In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fathom AI with Google Meet. If you've been looking for a way to seamlessly integrate these two tools to enhance your productivity, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the Fathom AI website. So open up your web browser and go to fathom.video/home. This is where you'll find all the functions and settings necessary to connect Fathom AI with Google Meet. Once you're on the home page, look for the Settings option. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize your experience with Fathom AI. Next, you'll need to connect Google Meet. Within the settings, there should be a clear option to do this. It's as simple as clicking a button and following any prompts that appear. The system might ask you for permissions, such as allowing access to your Google account or specific settings within Google Meet to ensure a smooth integration. Make sure you allow these permissions so that Fathom AI can function properly with Google Meet. Now, if you prefer using a desktop application, Fathom AI also offers a desktop app. So go ahead and open your Fathom AI desktop app if you have it installed. This can sometimes be a more efficient way to manage your meetings and integration settings without having to navigate through a browser. Once you have everything set up there, you're ready to start using Fathom AI with your Google Meet sessions. When you have a Google Meet scheduled, simply paste the meeting link into the Fathom AI application. You can usually do this by copying the link from your Google Calendar invite or directly from the Google Meet interface and then pasting it into the appropriate field in Fathom AI. This integration allows Fathom AI to work its magic during your meeting, providing you with enhanced features like automated note-taking or transcription services, depending on what Fathom AI is set up to do for you. It's a fantastic way to ensure that you capture all the important details of your meetings without having to manually jot down notes. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively use Fathom AI with Google Meet, making your virtual meetings more productive and less stressful. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy meeting!